Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the fascinating connection between nutrition and brain health. Today, we're delving into the latest research to uncover 6 fruits that are not just delicious but are also superheroes for your brain muscles. Blueberries, the brain boosters. Let's kick off with blueberries, packed with antioxidants that have been linked to improved communication between brain cells. We'll explore how these tiny powerhouses contribute to better memory and cognitive function. Avocado, the healthy fat source. Next on our list is the creamy and nutrient-dense avocado. We'll delve into the role of healthy fats in supporting brain function, including promoting optimal neurotransmitter activity and enhancing overall cognitive performance. Oranges, vitamin C for cognitive health. Oranges aren't just refreshing. They also play a crucial role in cognitive health. Join us as we discuss the benefits of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant found in abundance in oranges, and its impact on brain function. Bananas, the potassium connection. Bananas are not just a convenient snack. They're rich in potassium. We'll uncover the significance of potassium in maintaining proper brain fluid balance and how it contributes to optimal neural communication. Strawberries, antioxidant richness. Strawberries bring more than sweetness to the table. They're loaded with antioxidants. We'll explore how these antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the brain, potentially protecting against age-related cognitive decline. Apples, fiber and neuroprotection. An apple a day may indeed keep cognitive decline away. Discover the role of fiber in apples and how it influences gut health, subsequently impacting brain health. We'll also touch on the neuroprotective compounds found in this crunchy fruit. Conclusion. In conclusion, these fruits aren't just delightful treats. They're allies in promoting brain health. Incorporating them into your diet might just be the boost your brain muscles need. Remember to hit the like button, share this valuable information, and subscribe for more insights into the intersection of nutrition and well-being. And there you have it, the juicy scoop on the brain-boosting fruits backed by the latest, cutting-edge research. Science has spoken, and these fruits are not just delicious, they're your brain's best friend. Now, here's the mind-blowing part. The latest research suggests that regularly including these fruits in your diet may not only sharpen your cognitive abilities but also contribute to long-term brain health. It's like giving your brain its own personal trainer. But wait, before you rush off to revolutionize your grocery shopping, do me a favor. Hit that like button and show some love for the incredible science behind these fruits. The more likes we get, the more people we can reach with this essential information. And if you're as fascinated by the mysteries of the mind as I am, don't forget to subscribe to Health Spiffy. We're on a mission to bring you the latest research, in-depth explorations, and all things brain boosting. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store. So, join our community of curious minds. Hit subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and be a part of the brainy journey. Together, let's unlock the secrets of a healthier, happier mind. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, keep nourishing that brilliant brain of yours. Take care, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video.